A very good morning. Today is Thursday, 13th of Jan. Time is 9:33 a.m. So today is the weekly expiry, and we have entered into strangles. So our right now market is at 18,251, and my position just like yesterday, slightly consolidation to bearish. Yesterday also I had the similar kind of position, but yesterday market did not fall because market has been moving higher and higher from last 10 days, I think, and that's not possible. So some sort of retracement has to come. So that's why, considering that, I have kept my position slightly either sideways or slightly bearish. So what does that mean is that right now market is at 18,250, right? So call side I will not be too far, but put side I'll be little far because if my market comes down, put values will increase a lot. So this you can ignore. This is blue ones. These two are hedges to get the margin benefit. So majorly this is the position 18,050 put option and 18,350 call option. That means we are 100 points away on the call side. So 18,250 is where market is. We have sold 18,350 call option. So they will go to zero, and if market doesn't go above 18,350 and 18,050 put option, that means if market doesn't go below 18,050, this will become zero, and we will get all the margins that we collected as a profit. So that's the position, and these are just additionally I added because I had some margin left. So this is a safe. So again 50 points away on the both side. 350 I moved 400. Since I was left with some margin, so I just added them because these are pretty safer than even these two. Okay, so that's the position. Right now profit is around 1500. This was a just a scalp trade that I wanted to take, but I got a very bad price of call, so I exited immediately with some small profit. So right now the time is around 2 p.m. and we are sitting with a profit of around 4500. Adjustment wise, from morning a market when it came down, it was about to break this level, so that time my puts were bleeding a lot, so I had to move my calls from 18,350 to 18,300, and from that time onwards they are at 18,300 only, and after that it immediately bounced back. So then my my calls were bleeding, so that time I was having loss in calls, so I had shifted my puts now from 18,050 to 1800. So from 18,050 I moved the puts to 18,100. So now we are sitting with a triangle of 18,100 and 300. Our middle ground is 200, or if it expires between this, we will take all three and around 4 rupees whatever is left. They all will come to zero. Yeah, so that's the safe. So now we are quite safe. Right now market is 18,234 to 35. So both the sides we are safe until it moves about 250. I will not make any adjustment. If market moves about 250, then I might take calls to 200 because 150 is having only 2 rupee. So that doesn't make sense, and this is having 1 rupee. So just for 1 rupee, I cannot make this adjustment. But 200 is having 8 rupee. So only if market goes above 18,250, then only I can make 80, I can sell 18,200 put options. Right now it is at 235. So until if it is in the range of 18,200 to 250, I'm not going to make any adjustment. Right now time is 3:17. Market is about to close. We are marked to mark about 5,000, but at one point of time I was above 6,500 and I did a stupid mistake. So what happened is just before 3 o'clock market was between 18,250 and 18,200. So I sold both of them in to take the maximum benefit, because at 3 o'clock averaging happens and both of them should lose a lot of value. and that happened at 3 o'clock. I sold them, I think combined premium of 200 250. So I sold them for 11 12, around 12. So I sold both of them with combined premium of 12, and they both fell drastically, and I gained a lot. So I think the mark to mark at that point of time was more than 6,600 or 700. And at that point I should have closed, but immediately this bounce came and this took away everything. So this bounce, it made 250 call option in the money within just 2 3 minutes. And you can see here, I lost around 1900 in this, so 2000 rupee lost in that. If I had managed that a little better, I could have put proper stop loss, then this could have added in our profit. But that's fine, that's part of trading. So I'll just close my position because 319. And so I closed all of my positions, and profit that we booked is 5092, which is okay. I think this order is still pending because there are no buyer for this, there are no seller for this. Yeah, so that's all for today. Profit is around 5100. Thank you for watching.